At the EICMA 2023 motorcycle show, Suzuki made a significant impact with the unveiling of two new models, the sporty GSX-8R and the crossover GSX-S1000GX. The GSX-8R debut was highly anticipated, and it follows in the footsteps of its sibling, the GSX-8S, suggesting it retains some key characteristics from the popular GSX-8S lineup. The GSX-8R is set to hit the global market, primarily in Europe and North America, from January 2024. Additionally, the GSX-S1000GX, described as a supreme sport crossover, integrates features of both sport touring and adventure bikes, leveraging the engine from the GSX-S1000 series to ensure robust power performance suitable for sport riding. This model also marks the first instance of Suzuki motorcycles adopting the Suzuki Advanced Electronic System, including a low RPM assist feature to enhance stability and handling at low speeds. These motorcycles come equipped with advanced rider assistance systems, including a drive mode selector, which adds to the innovative features designed to enhance the riding experience.